Hello, guys. Welcome to Ramta Solutions. Welcome to your grade 12 mathematics, equations, and inequalities exam prep. Today, the question paper that we are looking at is the Free State Provinces Mathematics Paper 2 of September 2024. So, because these are exam papers, it's important that we read instructions. Oh, they are not that visible. And before I proceed, let's thank SA Exam Papers .co.za for their library of question papers. They have really helped. Yeah? All right. So this page is not that visible, but we will read nevertheless. So the instructions, all of them are important. Remember, you should read this in that reading time that is given to you, right? Read all these instructions, understand them. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to read just a few. Instruction 4. Clearly show all calculations, diagrams, graphs, etc. that you have used in determining your answers. That's very key. Instruction 5. Answers only will not necessarily be awarded full marks. Instruction 7. If necessary, round off answers to 2 decimal places unless stated otherwise. And then, though you are working for your distinctions, it's important that you also improve the presentation of your work. In other words, instruction 10, write neatly and legibly. All right, cool. Azish. Now, let's get into it. So this one is from the Freestata Dumelang. So 1.1, solve for x. 1.1.1, solve for open bracket 7 minus x close 10 plus x close equals 0. So this will be x equals 7 or x equals 10. That's it. And by the way, remember guys, we should spend about 23 minutes on this question, right? Because 1 mark is equivalent to 1 minute, and you will have extra 30 minutes to fix some of the mistakes that you might have made, and also some questions that you're struggling with. You will have enough time to work on them, right? Good. So let's see, for the purposes of this video, we should be done in like 26th minute, right? All right. So 1.1.2, 3x open bracket 2x plus 1 close it equals 1. Correct to 2 decimal places. This tells you you must use quadratic formula. Okay, so place this in a standard form first before you do anything, and then write the quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. What is the value of b? It is positive 3. We said it's positive 3. What is the value of a? Again, the value of a in Kosabatin Biakauka. So this is 6x squared. So the value of a is 6. The value of c is -1. Isn't it? All over 2 times 6. Isn't it? All over 2 times 6. X equals -3 plus minus 9 plus 24. 9 plus 24 will be 33. So square root of 33 all over 12. Azish. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, so x is 0.23 or x is -0.73. Okay, and That's it. Now 1.1.3. Remember guys, here where you start with -3 plus square root of 33, and then you proceed, all over 12, and then you proceed to square root of 3 minus, -3 minus square root of 33 over 12. These will give you the answers, right? Okay. 1.1.3, we have 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 is greater or equal to 0. So we will need to, to factorize this, we will need to say 3x plus, leave a space, close. I want to try 2x, leave a space, close. So the 2x plus, leave a space, close, is greater or equal to 0. So I think I need to say 3x plus 2, and then, and then 2x plus 1. All right, this is it. So now the critical values are, let me just write it in full. The critical values, so the critical values are x equals -2 over 3 and -half. So -2 over 3 and -half, isn't it? Is that so? Is it? Let's see. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is. Right? And our factorization is correct, isn't it? Yes, our factorization is correct. So we'll draw a quadratic graph, and the lowest is -2 over 3, and the highest is -half, right? Yeah. So what do we have? Let's see what do we have. Okay, so they said it must be greater or equal to 0, so it means it must be above the x-axis. So we'll say this is when x is less than -2 over 3, or when x is greater, it's less or equal to, by the way, greater or equal to -half, isn't it? Yes. By the way, -2 over 3, guys, -2 over 3 is indeed less than -half, right? It is indeed less than -half, okay, because it is 0.67, and -half is -0.5. Okay, so this is super correct. Okay, this is super correct. All right. Now 1.1.4, we have the square root of 2x. Okay, hold on. Square root of 2x and plus x is equal to 2. So what do we do now? We will need to square both sides. Okay, we will need to square both sides. Okay, we will need to square both sides. Then we're left with 2x plus x equals 4. Okay, then we say, square root of 2x is equal to 4 minus x. Then again, we square this. Okay, we square this. Then we have 2x equals 16 minus 8x plus 8x plus x squared. Now this is 0 equals 16. Let me put it like this. 0 equals x squared minus 10x plus 16. Further, we can factorize by saying this is x minus 8 and then x minus 2. So x equals 8 or x equals 2. Let me start with x equals 2. I will substitute it into the original. Let's see. X equals 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So this one is valid, right? So this one is not valid, you can also cross it out. Okay, you can also cross it out. All right, you can also cross it out. All right, so let's see, we have done 1.1, which is like how many marks? 14 marks, and we did it in like 10 minutes. So we are on the right track. Now let's go to 1.2. Now 1.2 says, this one is very interesting. I like it. Minus 2y plus x equals 4. That's equation 1. And then x squared plus xy minus 2y squared equals 0. I will label it equation 2. One that's easy to manipulate is equation 1. Alright? So it will be 4 plus 2y will be equation 3 from equation 1. Now substitute this into substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So will be, what is x? We put 4. What is x? We put 4 plus 2y squared plus y times 4 plus 2y minus 2y squared equals 0. Right? So what is this? This simplifies to 16 plus, this is 6. Oh no, this is 8. It'll be 16y plus 4y squared plus 4y plus 2y squared minus 2y squared equals 0, isn't it? So we have 6y squared plus 20. Is it 20? Oh no, we don't have 6y squared. We have 4y squared. We have 4y squared plus 20y, right, plus 16 equals 0. Divide throughout by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now we can factorize. Factors of 4 here will be 1 and 4. So y plus 1 and then y plus, what am I saying? Yeah, y plus 1 and y plus 4 equals 0. So this is it. Now y equals negative 1, sorry, and y equals negative 4. We're going to substitute this into equation 3, which was saying where x is equal to 4 plus 2y. So here, where there's y, we put negative 1. 4 plus 2 times negative 1 is similar to saying 4 minus 2. Therefore, x is, what is x? X is positive 2. And here, x is negative, what is it? X is negative 4, because where there's y, you put negative 4. 4 plus 2 times negative 4 will be 4 minus 8. Hence, x is negative 4. Happy? Great. So it seems with this exam, we are flying. We are flying. All right. So for this one, let me zoom this. We have 4 to the m equals p, open bracket, 2 to the 2m minus 1, close, plus p. Allow me to simplify this. Allow me to simplify this first. So I'm going to say this is 4 to the m. Should I even say 4 to the m? Maybe let me say 2 to the m. 2 to the 2m equals p 2 to the m over 2, right, plus p. Then I say this is 2 times 2 to the 2m multiplying through that by 2 equals p times 2 to the, oh, it was 2 to the 2m. Let me fix that. 2 to the 2m, correct? plus 2p, right? Plus 2p. So maybe I can take a common factor here, but seeing that I need to simplify this in this way, I think I should just take the 2m to the other side. So 2 times 2 to the 2m minus p times 2 to the 2m equals 2p. I see a common factor here. What is it? It is 2 to the m, 2 to the 2m. We are left with 2 minus p, which is also equal to 2p. Then we will say 2 to the 2m equals 2p over, hear me out, 2p over 2 minus p. Now, when we log both sides, we can simply say, okay, 2m is equal to log 2p over 2 minus p base 2. Okay, base 2. So let me put this in a bracket. So dividing throughout by 2, we have half log 2p over 2 minus p base 2. Therefore, we have answered this question. Okay, we have answered this question in 16 minutes. That is, we have answered it in like 13 minutes. Wow, we flew. So remember, guys, this is how you should attempt your exam questions. Okay, question 1, you must fly. All right, guys, see you next time. Remember, if you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe, you can share, and you can also like or comment. And as well, the links to different social media platforms will be given in the description of this video. If you're watching on TikTok as well, like, share with friends, whatever you do, go TikTok. And this is it, guys. All the best in your studies. Bye bye.